Some of these chilies are ready for the grow bags, but the roots will tell the real story. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Saturday to you all. It's Saturday 13th of June 2026 and it is day 118 of the chili grow up. They were inside last night because it was too cold, so I brought them out today. They're all looking fine. It's about 2, 3 in the afternoon. I need to check the time. So what we're going to do today, let's have a little look at the bigger plants that look like they're ready for the grow bags. I want to check the root system on them all. If they are ready, they're going in the grow bags. If not, we'll know at least how long it's going to be until they're ready. So we're just doing a quick check today, quick root check, quick wellness check, and make sure everything's looking all right. Other than that, I hope you're doing awesome and you're having a wonderful weekend so far. Me and Lucy enjoying the sun, aren't you, girl? Yeah? Let's do this. Let's get into day 118. Oh, it's going to be a great start to the day. Oh, thank you. Fried egg, madam. Got a Buena Mulata here. So much going on, look. So many leaves. Lots of things going on. What we're actually going to do is just remove some of these leaves. These bottom leaves. I know it's a shame, but we need to have the air circulating. And we want it to grow a lot taller. So it's looking beautiful. Let's have a little look at the roots, shall we? Now, we did transplant this from the cup into a bigger pot not too long ago. But as you can see, we've got a nice root system going there. Very nice indeed. Needs a bit more time, I think. Well, I need a bit more time for the weather to get warmer before we transplant this into the grow bag. But it's looking really nice. Really good indeed. The Buena Mulata, no complaints. Just lovely. These are Tabasco. We upgraded a couple of them into the larger pots. Doing really well. Now there should be some roots. Oh my goodness, there certainly is. A lot more than I thought. The point where I think in the next day or two we're going to need to put this into a grow bag. Really nice. Been such a productive plant, the Tabascos. I cannot recommend growing them enough. Wonderful. I have a Carolina Reaper here. The shortest one, I believe, that we tried. That the medium-sized one. We have the shorter one, still in the pot about this size. Let's just have a check and see how they're coming along. See if there's any roots. No, nothing at the moment. A few little ones on the side there and there, but nothing on the bottom. That's okay. They weren't transplanted too long ago. But there we go. Carolina Reaper needs. I have the smaller Carolina Reaper here. A little bit shorter than that other one. Let me just turn them over. Again, I don't think there's going to be much roots going on. Yeah, nothing at the moment. More time needed on those two Carolina Tabascos here. Both are looking fantastic. Taking the bottom leaves off. Let's have a quick look at the roots. Now again, these weren't transplanted too long ago, so there might be a few. Oh yeah, some coming along, look. Definitely needs more time for this one. Let's have a quick check of this second one. This is a shorter plant, so I'm assuming less roots. Yes, tiny little bit on the bottom there. They're coming along nicely though, aren't they? No complaints on the Tabasco. Got a Cayenne here. It's so tall, super tall. Probably going to need another support cane. Twice the length here. He's doing very well in the wind, but let's just make sure he's got enough support. You don't want him breaking at the midway, do you? So let's turn him over. The soil's quite dry on this. It's been in here for quite a while, and as you can see, the roots are looking very nice indeed. Lots growing, and it won't be too long until this Cayenne needs to go into a grow bag. Lovely stuff. Ghost pepper. Struggling to get it all in the screen. Just really, really nice, isn't it? Those leaves, so dark, just wonderful. Now, it wasn't too long ago when this was transplanted, but let's have a little look. And just like that, incredible. So much going on there. Won't be too long for the ghost pepper until it needs to go into a 5-gallon grow bag. Orange tie. Beautiful, so long, so tall. Now the stem, it's okay, but I wish it was a bit thicker for the size it's getting. But doing really well. Lots of new stuff going on. Haven't checked this in quite a while, so let me just lift the pot and see. Okay, we've got very nice progress, lots of roots going on there, but still needs plenty of time to start filling the bottom up. But not bad, it's coming along. The large orange Zebrange here, just beautiful. What a length it's getting now, so tall, super, super tall. Let's flip him over. Have a little look at those roots. See, we've got a few at the sides, a few on the bottom. Definitely needs more time to get established into this pot, but looking great. The Zebrange. So there we go. A lot of them are ready for the grow bags, but we're going to give them a couple of days time, just a couple of days to get more roots filled in. For now, outside, getting the wind, getting nice and strong, getting all the natural sun. They're looking alright, aren't they? I really see no plants in any issues at the moment. All looking good. Come all around the side here as well, just for a bit of wind protection. Yeah, they're looking good. Absolutely no issues at all. Quite the forest now, isn't it? Alright, that wraps up day 118. We want to thank you for joining us today. You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care, have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you Sunday. Isn't that right, Lucy? See you Sunday, yeah? Okay. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.